Yes, lads, this is just a quick trade recap from today's trades. Obviously, all of the signals have been sent into the free group, so if you're not in the free group, make sure that you get into it. Link in the Instagram bio. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So, starting off on the higher time frames, I'll just hide the drones real quick. Higher time frames, we're going to 4 hourly. We've came above this daily high. We're in a premium within this range between this swing high down to the swing low, and we've had a massive expansion to the upside. So I was just expecting sells, really, to be honest. So market opened and we start flying up, respecting all bullish payday arrays. Literally no setups within that price range. So I was just sitting on my hands, and then first the macro came, and then we get displaced. Well, I wouldn't really say a displacement of the downside, because on this candle here, we moved all the way down to this 4 hour bearish fair value gap, and then we respected it, and then wicked completely back up. So I wouldn't really call it displacement, but nevertheless, we did get a market structure shift. We did get a almost a change in the state of delivery, and we did invert a bearish bullish fair value gap. So I just went, fuck it, I'll just take the trade. It's got some of my confluences that I wait for inside of it, so why not? And then literally stop loss hit for minor fill was 10, literally 12 handles, so just a minor loss. And then onto the next trade that we took. Don't worry, it did not hit stop loss there. We're already out of the trade, got out with break even. But so on this trade, we got a sweep of this high here, swept this high here, and then didn't get displacement, but we got a market structure shift, and we got a change in the state of delivery, and we also inverted this bullish fair value gap. So after we inverted this bullish fair value gap, that is where I entered. Stop loss was this high here. TP1 was down here. But then we created these relative equal lows, so we'll come back down, and then I told the group to close 50% there for around 12 handles. So it's basically like a break-even day, just a minor little loss from the day, and then a break-even got hit. But definitely not trading for the rest of the day, because price action is just absolutely shitting itself right now. So just gonna wait until tomorrow. So I'll talk to you then. Just a quick update on today's trades. I've just took another trade there after the time of recording the trade recaps from before, just earlier. So just a quick update. We've got a sweep on this liquidity here, and then we got a minor market structure shift with a wick, and we also invalidated this bullish fair value gap, and we closed below the body of this bullish order, bearish order block, confirming a change in the state of delivery. So we also created a very, very, very small bearish fair value gap as well. So that is where I got my entry inside of. Right there. Stop loss was above the high. Take profit was sell side liquidity right here. And TP1 was here. So price reached this low, closed 50%, set my stop loss to break even, and then held the rest, the other 50% of the position down until final TP. So overall we got a 1 to 4.74 R, which is, it's recovered all of the loss from the day, and we've finished the day in a profit. I did not have time at all to get the signal out of the free group, so I do apologise, because obviously we've had quite a shit day after, like before this trade, and then obviously I've just won this trade, and I've just finished the day in a profit. Obviously, you guys probably have not because of the trades from earlier, but is what it is. I do apologise for that. And on to tomorrow. Hopefully, we can catch a nice profit again.